Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about where Quickbase is based. I know this is a question that a lot of people have been asking, so I'm excited to finally answer it for you. Before I get into the main topic, I want to take a moment to talk about what Quickbase is. Quickbase is a low-code application development platform that allows you to create custom business applications without having to write any code. It's a great tool for businesses of all sizes, and it can be used to automate a variety of tasks, such as tracking leads, managing inventory, and generating reports. Now that you know a little bit about Quickbase, let's get back to the question at hand. Where is Quickbase based? Quickbase is based in Andover, Massachusetts. The company was founded in 1999 by two entrepreneurs, Robert and David Panzarella. Quickbase has been growing rapidly in recent years, and it now has over 1 million users worldwide. Quickbase is headquartered in a beautiful building in Andover. The company has a large team of employees, including engineers, designers, and sales and marketing professionals. Quickbase also has offices in several other locations, including Boston, Chicago, Denver, and San Francisco. Benefits of being based in Andover. There are a number of benefits to being based in Andover. Andover is a great place to live and work. It's a small town with a big heart, and it has a lot to offer its residents. Andover is also home to a number of great schools and universities. This makes it a great place for companies to recruit and retain talent. I hope this answer to your question has been helpful. If you have any other questions about Quickbase, please feel free to leave a comment below. I would also like to add that Quickbase is a great company to work for. If you're looking for a challenging and rewarding career, I encourage you to apply for a job at Quickbase. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, here are some additional things you may want to know about Quickbase. Quickbase is a publicly traded company. Its stock is traded on the Nasdaq exchange under the ticker symbol QBC. Quickbase has a number of partnerships with other companies, including Microsoft, Salesforce, and Google. Quickbase is used by a variety of businesses, including healthcare, education, financial services, and manufacturing. I hope this information is helpful. If you have any other questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. I would also encourage you to check out the Quickbase website for more information. You can also sign up for a free trial of Quickbase to see how it can help you automate your business processes. Thanks for watching.